Today we are talking about tips to brighten your home and your mood. Of course, what we're living through right now is crazy. It's pretty heavy stuff, so a lot of people are feeling stressed and anxious and scared and tired and sad. So there's so many different emotions, and I've got a few tips that can help maybe cheer you up or soothe your nerves a little bit. So the first tip is to just declutter. I know my mind feels really foggy when we have a lot of junk on the counters or our dining room table. Those tend to be good spots to place things and not put them away, right? So take a look around today if that's the only task that you get done, because let's face it, I mean, we've got laundry and dishes and kids to watch and work. There's a lot going on in our homes these days. But for me personally, I find it makes me feel better and it clears my mind when I can at least organize one thing for the day, and having clean counters definitely affects how I work and makes me a little bit more productive, and it encourages me to get other tasks done for the day. So that's tip number one, clear out the clutter. Tip number two is all about paint. So I want to show you a quick transformation here. If you have dark and maybe dated walls in your house, might be time for a redo. So with this home here, we ended up changing quite a few things, yes, but the paint was the number one thing that really transformed this space. By adding a lighter color on the walls, it enhanced the ceilings, made the room feel brighter and open, was a fresh start for my clients, and they were just thrilled to live in this space. Now, I do advise if you have kids, you might want to go with a little bit more of a sheen. So if you go with a matte, it is easier for applying, but not as forgiving for marks and scratches on the wall. A quick DIY with an eggshell sheen, it's a good idea. So Bill, when I am really stressed out and I need to calm down, what I personally like to do is play some music and light one of my favorite candles. Now, I'm really excited to share with you that Mrs. Meyer's has just launched some new soy candles here in Canada, and you can pick them up at most major grocery stores. Now, they've got a variety of scents. I have two here today. The one that is basil, it is a cool and crisp scent, and basil is actually known to help calm your nerves. So if you're someone that's feeling extra anxious these days, this would be a fantastic scent to try in your home. Lavender, of course, we smell lavender when we're going for spa treatments. It has therapeutic benefits, and that can really be soothing and relaxing as well. And then there's also a honeysuckle scent. So they actually sell some room fresheners as well. You can see these here. Same scents. The honeysuckle is fruity and floral, so I find that it can be really uplifting. Maybe you feel like you're having a bad day, you know, the kids aren't really cooperating. It's nice to have that clean, fresh scent in your home to really brighten your home and brighten your mood. Tip number four, another really easy thing that you can do today, or just put it on the list for this week, clean your windows and clean your mirrors. Because think about it, those are two ways that light bounces around your room or reflects into your room. And if you've got dirt and grime and dust, that's blocking that light from coming through. So it's as easy as cleaning your windows, give your mirror a wipe, and it could help literally brighten your home today. Tip number five, treat yourself to something. Okay, I'm not saying go and spend hundreds of dollars, but for me, White Terry Home, these sheets right here, they are so soft, they are so luxurious. In my opinion, this is worth it right now. I need my sleep in order to work, take care of the kids, get things done around the house. So that was a little bit of a splurge that I am happy to purchase and treat myself. For you, maybe it's buying a bouquet of flowers that's gonna brighten up your home and make you feel good. Maybe it's a new throw pillow. Maybe it's a new throw blanket. I just suggest maybe buying that one little thing that's gonna make you feel good and is gonna brighten your home at the same time.